Today, actually, before we get into the video, because I know somebody's gonna comment and they're gonna be like, clippers are coming out too often, they costing too much, and so got the same clip. That's fine. You can buy whatever clippers you want. And when I'm doing reviews or telling you what's out, it's not telling you that this is the only way to go or this clipper is gonna work better. It's just pretty much me telling you the options that's out there. All right, that we're learning about as classmates. Again, we're in the same class together. We're trying to learn everything together. So I'm just telling you what's there now. All right.
Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video, right? And today we have an unboxing, slight review of a new clipper, right? So today we have an unboxing of the gold wall magic clip. As you can feel when you first get it, you can tell that it's already a little bit heavier, and you can see on the back that they did include a charging dock. Cool, right? So they come with the stagger tooth blade with the crunch blade technology. It has a gold blade on it. Comes with the 8 guards. And 100 minutes of runtime. You got the machine that is already out of my box, right? You take that up from here, and of course, leave a thumbs up if you think they're gonna put a white comb in here. Go ahead, I'll give you time to do it. Boom, they got the wall comb in there. That's not ever going anywhere. Got the charging cable, and then of course, in their side option, their side box here, you do get the 8 premium guards from the half guard to the 6. Then of course, they did include the charger, right? So already right there, and I do like that they got it like little gold right there to match. Already right there, you're getting a better profit than what you would get when you buy the original Magic Clip. The price of this is $225. Now it was $225 at the CT. Now, here's the machine. I do like that though. That gold, as you can see, they changed the handle on it to match with the 1919 and the chrome Magic Clip that they did release. You see there, if it zooms in, nope, don't wanna, that don't matter. Then it got the gold blade there, which is the standard blade, it's just gold. So when we talk about WOW, right, everybody talks about WOW, including me. The main thing is if WOW put a better motor in their clippers and blah, 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 blah. This has a stronger push than the original Magic Clip. You can hear the stronger. This is already, it sounds stronger. It's heavier. You can tell now. I haven't read to see if they included the different motor, but you can tell that this is more of a senior motor in here. It gives a stronger push. It goes through bulk much better than the Magic Clip. If y'all been watching my page though, or following me for a while, y'all know I am a fan of the Magic Clip. Before the Rebels came out, I was all Magic Clip, right? But the Rebels had a stronger motor. This is a little bit stronger than the Rebel. If you are working with the original Magic Clip and you have been waiting for WOW to come out with something in the Magic Clip area, but with that stronger push, this is it. All right, so this is the JRL FF 2020C. Plenty of accessories. So going back to the 1919 WOW, the Magic Clips. Let's just start with the Magic Clips. You do get premium guards in there, but you only get a 1.5 guard, I believe, right? And this, they give you guards all the way up to an 8. Starting with the half guard all the way up to an 8. It's not often I'm using the 8 guard. It's not often I'm using the 6 or 5 or 7, but I have them. I've used them, not often, because it's once that I have them. When I first grabbed them out of the box, I thought this part of them would be a little slippery, but the design of them with the ridges is very helpful in holding this clipper. The next question is, how do they how do they work through a full day of work. All right, they tell you that they got a full 4-hour charge. Once they're fully charged, you can cut for 4 hours. I bought a pair of clippers that said you can cut for 4 or 5 hours, and they did not last 4 or 5 hours. They lasted about 90 minutes, just like all the other clippers. When you got these, they're 4 hours. This blade cuts so smooth. I used it, and I got a different clientele. I got whites, blacks, Hispanics. It cuts through all hair. This is gonna let you cut all day long, through anything you want. I forgot to explain this in my last video of the unboxing, but you got 2 speeds. You got a slow speed, you got a faster speed. Most people, I'm gonna go straight to the fast speed. I did use the slow speed just to see if it still cut, and it still cuts fine. But most people, when you're cutting, you're just gonna flip it up. Unless you know you got reason to use the fast speed, the slower speed, you're just gonna push it up and go. But overall, all right, I see I'm getting already over 10 minutes. Overall, this is my favorite clipper. And this could be, I'm on a high of just using them for the first time. I'm in bliss. I'm in bliss because I haven't used anything like this. But right now, these are my favorite clippers. So today, we have the review of the Instincts. As far as pricing, the clippers, I said in my review that they was $220, but they actually will be $230. As far as everything that comes in with the clipper, of course, you get the machine, right? And this is dead. I'm trying to get some charge to it so we can hear the sound, but if I don't get enough charge to it, then I'll put in the clip from the last time that I had the sound, right? So here you got the Instinct, the clipper, and of course, like Stylecraft always does, you get the different, the face plates. It actually comes with the red one on it. This is one of the first time that I actually went on and switched it, and I went to the all black, took the gold lever off, put the black lever on to match with it, and it does come with charging dock, right? You do get the traveling cord, the USB cable, of course their screwdriver. You get the different color levers. It comes with the gold on it, but they do come with the black, the red, the blue, and it also comes with the stretch bracket. You get the Vapor blade, again, which is their fusion blade, changed the name. I say a lot, don't worry about it. But you get the gold Vapor blade. It has the Vector motor with 11,500 RPM, come with the click lever on it, 4 hours of runtime. And then it also comes with the double magnetic guards, but they do come with the white. So it's not a difference, it's just a different color. We get to the machine, the build of the machine, of course, very small. That's one thing that I did have a problem with while using it. It's very tiny. You get used to it, but compared to the other clippers and trimmers that I've been, using, it feels kind of small. But there's the there's the gold fade blade, the Vapor blade, click lever, and of course you can alternate it, make it a floating lever. Back of it, charging stand. I'll put in a video of the sound right here. All right, because it's dead. I've actually been using the hell out of this. Going through bulk, it do ramp up and you can feel the power in it when it's going through bulk. But if the hair is too thick, you think, because it'll ramp up in milliseconds, right? So you think when you're going, it's just gonna go. But when you get to certain thick textures of hair, it kind of snags a little bit, and you have to slow it down to let it really glide through the thickness of the hair. It will go through it, but you just have to slow it down to get through it and get the clipper going, right? But once you get through that, it lays down hair very nice. As far as going through, it fades very nice. All in all, this is like a great clipper. This is, once you get, now that's just me, I like a lighter clipper, but I do like a more sizable clipper, I guess. You get what I'm saying? Like, But once you get used to that, this fades very nicely, especially on tapers because of the size of it. When you're on a taper of something and you just need that corner, this is very nice. The clipper is a great buy. I do think it's worth it. He's just getting used to the size of it, right? Yeah, buy the clipper, kind of wait on the trimmer. Maybe I'll do a deeper dive on the trimmer later. But as of right now, I definitely say the clipper is a worth the buy. Use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money, and they are on pre-order today. If you like the video, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, dislike the videos. Comment, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Peace.